Hey everyone and YouTube, meet the Delta Executor mobile. Currently one of the best optimized Roblox executors for mobile with fast script injection, broad games compatibility and consistent updates. Delta maintains stability without sacrificing performance for both beginners and power users. It sets a high standard on mobile. So how you can get that? First of all, you need to open up your browser and go to the address bar over here and type this the executor and make sure you are spelling it right so that you can jump into the right website. And this is the interface, guys. Make sure you are going to the right place so that you can get the newest and updated version of the Delta executor. And here you can, if you tap here, you will get the free Robux for 100% here. That's the giveaway part. And tap on iOS download button if you want to download the Delta executor directly on your iOS device. So same like follow the instructions same like I'm doing over here. Okay, the file has been almost completed generating, and here it says the human behavior not detected, verification required. That's actually very easy. Tap on the verify now button over here and it will open up a new page, and in this page it will say get the Delta executor mobile by completing two tasks from the list. Well, that's actually very easy. All you need to install two apps from this list over here, and after installing that, what you need to do is sign up for there. That's the required thing most of the apps do. And other thing is stay there for 30 seconds max to max. You don't have to make any purchase, any activity. Just open up the app after sign up and stay there for 30 seconds. Don't get the phone locked. And here the tutorial video also been given here. You will watch it and you will get to know completely how you can do the verification process so that you can get this version of the Delta executor, which is the most recently updated Delta executor for mobile, and comes with bugs, fixed bugs and other things. And here let me tell you how you can execute scripts and how you can get the scripts without key, without paying anything over here. Let me open up the blocks fruit again, and here you see. Okay, so this is the preview as you can see over here. And here ho hap keyboard. Let me execute the keyboard here so that can give you the preview of the executor, how it works actually. And let me go back again, and here is the version of the Delta executor as well. And that's here for K Reds Hub. Let me search for the Reds Hub. Okay, no, let's wait for it. And that's the Reds Hub, comes without any key, and all because of the site I have shared you. And here you see what you need to do. Tap on execute selected script, open script and editor, copy to the clipboard. Let me show you the script I have gotten without any key, and that's the version of the script as well. Okay, as you can see here, and once you tap on execute to clipboard or execute, it will execute on your game in no time, and that's come without keys. So enjoy the video and don't forget to share among your friends. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll be back very soon with another bang.